I have told you guys several times that Italy is the most generous country in Europe right now. Can you believe that admissions are still open in some schools in Italy right now? I mean, even now in June, okay? One of these schools is the University of Bari Moro in Italy right now. This school is currently open for admissions right now, and the deadline is on the 30th of June 2026. That should be about 3 weeks from now. Okay. Now I will tell you everything that you need to know about the University of Bari Adomoro. And first of all, before I tell you guys the programs in this school, because actually there are programs taught in English language for bachelor's levels and master's level. So before I tell you guys the programs taught in the University of Bari Adomoro, let's talk about the requirements, okay, and what you need to know if you want to apply for this university right now. The first thing that you must know is that this school charge you for application fee. Okay, application fee is about 30 euros. However, this university has provided a bank account which you must pay the application fees into. Additionally, you must state the reasons for your transfer, like the reasons why you are paying the application fee. Okay, it is mandatory. Secondly, you must provide your full name and your ID number. The ID number can be your passport number. Next thing that you must know is that this university will ask you to provide your English language proficiency. However, this must not be your IELTS result or TOEFL result or Duolingo result. Take for instance, if your previous studies was done in English language, like if you are coming from countries like Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, all these countries that speak English language, then you can use your English language proficiency from your previous school. Okay. If, for instance, you want to go in there for master studies, then you must go to your previous school and request for the English language proficiency result. Why, if you want to go in there for bachelor studies, then you must go to your high school or the authorities in charge of the higher education in your country. For Cameroonians, that is the GCE board in Boya. Okay. However, you may be asked to upload your English language proficiency document. Okay. So guys, please take all this into consideration. Okay. Next is translation of documents. As earlier mentioned, if your previous studies was done in English language, then you don't need to translate documents. Okay. However, any other language must be translated. Okay. Next is statement of value. Now, under this section, they will give you 4 documents which you must pick one from and submit. Okay. Now, we have statement of comparability issued by the CHIMIA. Second, um, second is declaration of value issued by the Italian diplomatic mission in your home country, plus 2 other documents. Now, this morning I spoke with someone who moved to this country last year. He told me that for this process, in fact, for this section, the best and most preferable document to choose from is the statement of comparability issued by the CHIMIA. Okay, that is what he said. And actually, I stand with him because this statement of comparability is more easier to obtain than the other documents in this particular section. Okay, so anyways, before you even see all these documents, you must register on the website. So you must register on the website first before you can even see all these documents. Okay. Next is entry qualifications. Now, basically, this means that if, for instance, you are going in there for bachelor's program, you must impute your high school qualifications. Okay. For master's programs, you must upload your bachelor's degree. Okay. So if, for instance, you haven't yet received your bachelor's degree certificates, the original copy, then you can upload the attestation of studies. Okay. Now, next is transcript of records. Also, you must upload your international passports. Okay, the front page. And lastly, you must upload the universality pre-enrollment ID. Remember, when you register on the universality website, they will give you a particular code, okay, particular enrollment ID. Now, you must upload this ID on this particular section for the school to confirm that actually you have enrolled. Okay, all this information can be found on the school website. The link is down below in the description box. Okay, before I forget, if you want more in-depth review about the particular school or more in-depth guidance, please tell me down below in the comment section. Okay, or there's a link down below for one-on-one booking call. Please go there, book a call with me right now, and it is very, very affordable. Okay, now next thing that most is that this school has 7 programs taught in English language. But before I tell you guys the program, please help me to like the video. Okay, share the video to your friends, family, and loved ones. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my page. Okay, That is how you get to encourage me to keep showing up here every single week with new updates. Okay. Thank you very much for doing so. Now, as earlier mentioned, this school has 7 programs taught in English language. But if you want to go there for Italian programs, we find so many programs there, okay? So many programs. But for English language, there are just 7 programs there. And the funny thing is that there are more programs in master's level than in bachelor's level, okay? So I'll tell you guys the programs in the University of Bari Moro for master's level. Please pay attention and listen very, very carefully, okay? Um, the first program we have here is Masters in Decision Science. This master's program is for 2 years and it is taught in English language. Next is Masters in Mineral Science and Technology. This master's program has a duration of 2 years taught in English language. Next is Masters in Physics, 2 years, English language. Masters in Computer Science, Masters in Computer Science, 2 years, English language. Masters in Innovation Development in Agro-Food System, 2 years, taught in English language. Now, these are the programs taught in English language for master's levels, okay? All these programs here are for 2 years each. Now, for bachelor's levels, just one program only is available for bachelor's studies. So if your goal is to apply for bachelor studies in the University of Bari Moro, please, that won't be possible, okay? And the program is Bachelor's in Earth System and Global Changes. This program is taught in 3 years and the language of instruction is English language. So guys, that is what you need to know about the University of Bari Moro in Italy. Remember, deadline ends on June 30th, 2026. If you apply now and get approved, congrats. Next thing that you want to know is the student visa requirement, okay? Check this video right up here to get the full information on how to apply for your student visa to move to Italy, okay? However, if you are considering to apply, please apply now, okay? And I pray that the application gets approved in Jesus' name, okay? So guys, thanks for watching up to this point. And please always ensure to watch my videos to the end, okay? No matter how long they may be, always ensure to watch them to the end because that is how YouTube will get to pay me if I ever get monetized on YouTube one day. My goal here is to help you guys to move about for studies safely, okay? At the same time, my goal also is to get monetized so that I'll start earning much more coins from this my YouTube stuff. So guys, please watch to the end. Thanks for watching again up to this point. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe. Please tell me down below if I'm talking too fast because some people have been complaining that I'm talking too fast. I don't know why. Anyways, see you in my next upload. Bye.